so excited for this. What's up YouTube? My name's Link and this is my unboxing video of the Canon EOS 80D. Shout out to Digital Camera Warehouse in Sydney that have supplied me with all of this today. So I purchased it, by the way. So we got the video mic for on top of the camera. Also, I decided to go for the 24mm lens. Then we also got this Gorilla Pod. What else have we got? A dual battery adapter. We got a 64GB memory card. The big mothership, the Canon EOS 80. Look at that. At the moment, I'm shooting on a 700D, so I'm super excited to see how this is all going to turn out and increase and enhance my filming and photography capabilities. And then also on top of that, I got this nifty like backpack, which is pretty cool. So it will keep all the equipment in there. So I'm going to show you now all this stuff as we unbox it. Wow, I don't even know where to begin. I guess what I'll do first is put the 24mm lens onto the camera that I have now. I'm shooting on a 700D. So it was well timed that I upgraded. So what I'll do is I'll put this lens on the camera so you guys can get like a really good idea of how wide this is, and then you can probably see everything else a bit clearer and easier. All right, let's do that. Whoa, that is pretty cool. I can see like the whole frame of myself here. Never had that before. Next, what we'll do is throw on the microphone and see how that is. Whoops. Video mic. Comes in like a box. This is a rare occasion that you would ever see someone read the instructions. Take that off. The end. Boom. Let's see how the audio changes. Okay. So a little bit risky right now. We are recording audio off the microphone on the camera from the Rode video mic here. But prior to that, I was recording off this little Lavelle mic here, which you can see, which is connected to my mobile phone out of frame. And I really hope the audio quality is still good. So let's see how this goes. Really happy with the lens, by the way. It's nice and big and yeah, it looks really cool. I think what I'll do next is try the tripod. Oh, spoke too soon. I need a Stanley knife. So I guess if you're kind of stuck between should I buy more gear, should I not buy more gear, I mean, I was like that, and what it really came down to is I had the money, and also I had a project that kind of required me to get better gear, so I kind of had to justify reasons, which probably isn't the best thing to do, but I did it, so whatever. But it's really interesting because when you do buy gear or you upgrade your system, you get like a new sort of love or passion for this kind of industry. And I think that's probably the best part. You know, like I've now got all this new gear to play with, go out, create content. Shout out to North Borders because he's inspired me to just sort of take a risk and go out and start asking people if they want photos to try and make cash, which I'll do to try and pay back for all this. Anyway, this is the tripod. It's a Joby Gorilla 3K, so I believe that means it holds up to 3 kilos. So yeah, pretty basic sort of contraption. All right, let's have a look. So you got warranty card, definitely come in handy. The manual, don't really read this, but always handy to have just in case you need it. And then we've got cable for charging the batteries. Oh, I forgot to tell you. My double juicer is what I'll call it. So I have 3 batteries. I don't think I'm going to run out of batteries. A little bit excessive, but it is what it is. I've got the Canon standard 15 to, oh sorry, not 15, 18 to 55. So that's gonna come in handy when I resell it. The strap, so everyone knows what camera I've got, because that's what we all hope for. Not really, but anyway. Then I've got the battery charger. I wonder which one's going to be faster. There's a Canon battery charger there with a Canon battery. So let's see if there's any life left on this. If there is, I might just scream. I've made an absolute mess on this table. Sorry to my roommates. There it is. Much like the camera I have now, it's got the little flip out screen, which is one of the features that I really wanted because I like making videos and I like low angle shots. What else have we got? It's obviously got to increase megapixels. You know what? I'm not going to bore you with the details because if you're like me, you've probably researched the crap out of this camera. What I'll do is I'll just sort of share some of the photos that I take or some of the video footage that I shoot and yeah, give you guys a bit of a practical examination rather than talk about all the specs. And there's a mirror there. Alright, enough. Let's see if there's any life on this battery. Oh, disappointed. As you can see, there's no life on that battery, so guess what I'll be doing? Recharge station. Well, thanks guys for watching my video this far. Really appreciate it. This was probably more of a experiment for me to check out the audio, the lens that I got. Just for those of you who can't remember, the 24mm Canon lens and the video micro from Rode. I'm going to make more videos as I continue to learn about this camera. Really appreciate you tuning in. See you next time. Oh yeah, that's right. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow this video.